today we're gonna open up this LL toy called LL Sunshine Makeover. Do you want to see? Ta-da! And it's a surprise because you don't know what that was inside. And I have a bunch of toys over there. There's a Meow over there that I just got from the store. I want to ask me I have the Meows, and I'm really happy that I found one. Let's just open up this one. And I have one of these before, so I know what to do. You have to look for the zipper, then you whip off the zipper. Ow.
Should I help you?
No, I got it. That's my nails hurt. I whipped it off, guys. I whipped the zipper off. See? Woo! I got the zipper. Do I see it? Yeah. Open up. Why is there tape on here?
What do you think inside? You gonna guess? Or see what you think inside?
There's another layer. There's another layer, Mommy.
Oh yeah.
So confused. How many layers are there now?
There's another zipper? Let me see. Let's show them.
Ta-da.
Ooh, that's the place where you're gonna open it, right?
Yeah, you have to open the zippers.
Oh, before that, make sure you guys,
like and subscribe. Okay, how do you
Should I help you?
YouTube Naiwa TV say like and subscribe at the end of the
Well,
video.
you can do it in the start or in the end. You can also do it in the beginning, in the end.
Be quiet. Don't talk about that. It's so loud. It's for the video.
All right. Do you need help?
No, I got this. That's a little bit tricky because I don't want to hurt my nail.
Well, let me give you a hand a little
No,
bit.
I got it. Oh, I was just doing it for the wrong side. I have to do it from
There.
this side.
I'm excited. Let's take a guess. What do you think inside?
It's I know what I have one of these before, so I know what's inside.
It's a secret.
It's I think that there's a L down and I think there's
It's a surprise,
I think
Gabby.
there's an LL inside and some accessories. Oh
yeah?
man, we're taking it easy today. Do you mind giving me some scissors?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Got it right here. Thank you. And now we got a slippery ball. Slippery dippery ball. That I got a, oh my gosh. So easy.
Show them. How many you got in there? Show us many
I had two hold that one.
Okay.
Sorry guys, I didn't mean to throw that. I'll try to show it to you. One. And this is 2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
and 5.
5. And what's that?
And some rules, I guess.
Some instruction?
Yeah, and here's something that when you can look at it, see what else here there are. That's not instruction. That's something else. I think this is it.
All right.
But we don't have to look at instructions because I already have one. Because I have one of these before, so I know what to do with them.
Okay, so go ahead and open one by one. Just one.
Oh,
Open one and then show them what you got. Ooh, so this is what we're gonna get, huh?
yeah, I saw that thing.
Okay.
I saw that thing.
Open just one at a time.
Ooh, oh my gosh!
Describe what you got, Gabby.
I got an LOL. I don't want you to look at her because she is literally has no clothes. Don't look at her. She has no clothes, so no looking at her. She has no clothes. Alright? No looking.
Alright.
Why is she doing a split?
So now we're gonna get, she got a
Shoes!
Oh, so cute!
Baby shoes.
Right
let's
here.
see what else we got. What else we got? It seems like
right here. We got Blossom.
Blossom's a little mermaid.
Oh yeah, let me see.
I was hoping to get this one with a bow.
Well, we got Blossom. Okay, we got Blossom.
It's hard to make her stand up.
Well, we're gonna go So what else we got? So we
Okay.
got this
And
one.
we got shoes, and what else we got? Bottle time!
Oh.
Can you open this one? Oh,
Yeah.
you can't open that one. Man.
Yeah.
Oh my outfit!
Woo, so beautiful. You do outfit properly?
We should take it out.
Alright.
Look at this who comes with the outfit. It's not part of the outfit, but it comes with it.
Yeah, it's like a mannequin, huh?
Okay. At the end of this video, we're gonna put the clothes on her.
Oh,
Okay.
look at what's
A
that?
band.
Headband, huh?
Headband,
Alright,
yeah.
time to dress up the baby.
Yep.
So,
So,
first,
look here.
are you supposed to put the clothes first and the shoes last?
I just lost the one. I just dropped one, Mommy.
Yes, you did. What did you drop?
The headband. Oh, found it.
Okay. Okay, put the clothes first. We're gonna put the shoes last.
Okay.
Clothes first.
I'm putting the top first, and then I'm putting the pants next, and then I'm putting the headband second, and I'm putting the shoes the third. So I'm putting this first. This part of the clothes go, and then I put it on first. Hold on, I can't exactly put the clothes on. This first, then the pants next. Put it on
Make sure you put it right. Let me see.
this way.
This is front, I think. Let me see. Oh, okay, that's right. I guess it doesn't have a front and right. Okay. Very good.
Hold on. It's not straight. Gotta make sure it's straight.
Okay, that should be enough.
Nah, the butt's still showing.
Oh, the body show.
We can't do
I will
that.
help you with that. It's hard to
Yeah.
push.
I'm not good at pushing, guys. I'm really bad at pushing hard stuff.
I think this is up. This is just how it is, Gabby. It's like, okay. Yep, it's not showing anymore.
The butt? Okay.
Yeah. So, show them the clothes. So, this is how it is.
This is how it is. And now the back.
Yeah, now put the headband.
Yep. You're a unicorn. Wait, you're a mermaid. Wait, Mommy, I think I know
What?
now what's going on. So the character that we have is a unicorn with flowers on her head, and this is the mermaid.
All right.
But I'm gonna put her shoes
Yeah.
on now.
Right here. You didn't. Oh, you
No,
dropped the other one. I help you?
No, I got it.
No, I will help you wear it.
Yeah.
Mm.
I need help finding
Oh, I able to let you wear it now.
Mommy, can you help me find it?
All right.
I'm very bad with finding stuff.
Well, you were sitting in the middle of where it dropped.
Could have bounced, you know.
I mean, move away first.
Okay.
All right, there. See, you're sitting. When you look for something, it dropped. You don't sit where it dropped.
Oh, you got one of it. So it's this one. This one.
So we find one.
And now here's the bottle. I know we're gonna put the water in. I'll be right back.
No need to just pause it.
I'm trying to do that.
You have to put the water in it. You cannot put the water
Yes,
in.
you can. I did it before. You squeeze it and then put. I filled it in water now.
You fill the water?
Yep.
What happened to that? Oh, she's drinking water now?
Yeah.
Ooh.
She should be able to spit it out, or she go pee pee, or she cries.
Okay, show them the proper product now, Gabby. Show them everything. So this is what's the result. Get flow. Oh, she's hungry. I want more. I'm thirsty. Please give me water.
She's not even holding it.
Yeah, like she's so thirsty.
It's right. Look how much water is left in there.
There's still a lot, huh? Well, she's just a tiny little baby.
She almost drank all of it.
All right.
She almost drank.
She almost dead. So what's her name now? Are you gonna name her?
Yeah.
Her name is Blossom.
Well,
Hello, Blossom.
I'm gonna name her my Little Mermaid.
She's not even a mermaid, I think.
Yep. Yeah, she's a unicorn, but I'm gonna name her my Little Mermaid.
Oh yeah, Little Mermaid. Well, Little Mermaid is thirsty. Hey, you go, Little Mermaid, drink water. She needs some water. Or she gonna...
She drank all the water in here.
Oh yeah, she did?
Yeah,
Man.
but she's not a mermaid.
Oh, okay.
She's a unicorn. I just named her that.
All right.
My Little Mermaid.
Well, she's so pretty right now, right?
Wait.
All right, so we're gonna say bye.
Bye, guys. Say bye, Little Mermaid. Bye.
Right there, bye.
Bye.
See you next time. Do not forget
Do like and subscribe. Bye.
bye.